In the vast expanse of military aviation, where power and precision converge, the C-17 Globemaster III emerges as a true titan of the skies. It is not merely an aircraft. It's a spectacle, a force of nature that defies its colossal size with a takeoff that can only be described as rocket-like. Imagine standing on the tarmac, the air around you pulsating with anticipation. The C-17 sits on the runway, a behemoth with wings outstretched like an eagle ready to soar. Its sheer size can be overwhelming, yet the grace with which it defies gravity is nothing short of breathtaking. As the engines begin to roar to life, you can feel the vibrations resonating through the ground beneath your feet. The C-17, with its 4 Pratt & Whitney F117 PW100 turbofan engines, doesn't just taxi. It announces its imminent departure with a symphony of power. These engines, each capable of producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust, are the heartbeat of the Globemaster. They transform the aircraft into a mechanical Pegasus, ready to ascend to the heavens. The prelude is over, and the main act begins. The pilot taxis the C-17 into position, the aircraft's nose pointed towards the vast open sky. The countdown to takeoff is marked by a series of precise maneuvers, a ballet of aeronautical engineering in motion. As the engines reach full throttle, the sound is not dissimilar to a distant thunderstorm, a crescendo building in intensity. Then, it happens. The C-17, despite its mammoth size and payload capacity, accelerates down the runway with a swiftness that seems to defy physics. It's as if the laws of gravity momentarily loosen their grip, allowing this metal giant to slip the surly bonds of Earth effortlessly. The acceleration is relentless, pushing the aircraft faster and faster until the runway becomes a blur beneath its colossal wheels. It's at this point that the comparison to a rocket becomes vividly apparent. Rockets, designed for space exploration, have a singular purpose: to escape Earth's atmosphere. The C-17, while grounded in the realm of atmospheric flight, channels that same sense of urgency, that unyielding quest for altitude. Its wings generate lift, and its engines generate raw power, combining to create a spectacle that mirrors the fiery ascent of a rocket into the cosmos. The magic of the C-17's takeoff lies not just in its acceleration, but in its graceful defiance of inertia. As the aircraft lifts off, it seems to pivot on an invisible axis, its nose tilting upward in a triumphant salute to the sky. This is not merely an ascent, it's a proclamation of dominance, a testament to the prowess of human engineering. In the cockpit, the pilots orchestrate this aerial ballet. The controls respond to their commands with a precision that borders on the sublime. It's a dance of skill, experience, and technological mastery, all working in harmony to guide this airborne leviathan into the heavens. The takeoff, in essence, is a testament to the human spirit's ability to conquer the skies, to dream of the unreachable, and then build machines that can touch the stars. As the C-17 climbs, leaving the ground below, there's a sense of liberation that transcends the boundaries of the aircraft itself. The shackles of gravity are broken, if only for a moment, and the aircraft becomes a symbol of human ambition taking flight. For those watching on the ground, there's a sense of awe, a shared recognition that in this moment, humanity has tamed the very forces that anchor us to the Earth. The ascent continues, and the C-17, now a soaring titan, becomes a silhouette against the canvas of the sky. The takeoff, though a fleeting event, leaves an indelible mark on the onlookers. It's not just a demonstration of aeronautical prowess. It's a celebration of what the human mind, fueled by imagination and innovation, can achieve. The C-17 Globemaster II takes off like a rocket, not just in its physical attributes, but in the symbolism it carries. It represents the culmination of human ingenuity, a machine that defies gravity with elegance and purpose. The takeoff is not merely a departure from the ground. It's a testament to the boundless heights to which human aspiration can soar. The C-17 is not just an aircraft. It's a testament to the unyielding spirit that propels us ever upward into the limitless expanse of the sky. In the vast expanse of military aviation, a new contender emerges to challenge the supremacy of the renowned Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules. Enter the Embraer C-390 Millennium, a Brazilian marvel designed to rewrite the rules of tactical airlift. With sleek lines and versatile capabilities, this aircraft poses a formidable threat to the long-reigning C-130J. As the two giants prepare for an aerial showdown, the skies become the arena for a clash of innovation and engineering prowess. The stage is set for an epic duel between tradition and the future, as the C-390 Millennium asserts itself as the C-130G's newest and most compelling rival. A Brazilian triumph, the birth of the C-390 Millennium. Hailing from the aeronautical powerhouse Brazil, the Embraer C-390 Millennium is a testament to the country's aerospace prowess. The project, initiated by Embraer in collaboration with the Brazilian Airforce, aimed to develop a medium-sized military transport aircraft that could seamlessly blend strategic and tactical capabilities. The result is a formidable machine that not only meets but exceeds expectations. Versatility redefined. One of the standout features of the C-390 Millennium is its versatility. Unlike its counterparts, this aircraft isn't confined to a singular role. It effortlessly transitions between cargo and troop transport, medical evacuation, and even aerial refueling. This adaptability gives military commanders a Swiss Army knife of sorts, allowing them to respond to a myriad of operational demands with a single aircraft. Modern engineering for superior performance. The C-390 Millennium incorporates cutting-edge technology and design principles that contribute to its superior performance. With a glass cockpit, fly-by-wire controls, and a state-of-the-art avionics suite, the aircraft provides pilots with an intuitive and efficient platform. Its powerful engines and advanced aerodynamics ensure not only impressive speed, but also exceptional agility for an aircraft of its size. Payload powerhouse. In the realm of military transport, payload capacity is king, and the C-390 Millennium doesn't disappoint, boasting a sizable cargo bay capable of accommodating a diverse range of loads, from armored vehicles to humanitarian aid. This aircraft is a true workhorse. Its ability to carry up to 26 metric tons of cargo positions it squarely against the C-130J, challenging the latter's long-standing dominance in this category. Operational flexibility. Anytime, anywhere. Military operations often demand aircraft to operate from austere airfields in challenging environments. The C-390 Millennium rises to this challenge with short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. This feature allows the aircraft to access airfields that might be off-limits to others, ensuring that military forces can be rapidly deployed or resupplied even in the most remote locations. Global appeal and strategic partnerships. Embraer has strategically positioned the C-390 Millennium as a global player, actively seeking international partnerships to enhance its market presence. As countries around the world explore options to modernize their military transport capabilities, the allure of a reliable, cost-effective alternative to established platforms becomes increasingly appealing. The C-390 Millennium, with its combination of performance and affordability, stands poised to capture the attention of nations looking to bolster their aerial capabilities. Challenges on the horizon. While the C-390 Millennium presents a formidable challenge to the C-130J, it is not without its hurdles. Convincing military forces to shift from well-established platforms involves overcoming a certain level of institutional inertia. Additionally, the track record of the C-130J, which has proven itself in numerous theaters of operation, adds a layer of trust that Embraer must work diligently to match. As the Embraer C-390 Millennium steps onto the global stage, it marks the beginning of a new chapter in the evolving landscape of military transport aircraft. Its versatility, modern engineering, and global appeal position it as a serious contender against the C-130J. The aerospace community and military planners worldwide are watching closely as this newcomer takes on the role of the challenger, promising innovation, adaptability, and a touch of Brazilian flair to military airlift capabilities. Whether it will emerge as the new standard bearer or carve its niche alongside established giants, only time and operational experience will tell. One thing is for certain: the competition in the skies just got a whole lot more interesting.
In 1963, the United States Air Force set out on a mission to find a powerful successor to the aging turboprop-driven C-133 Cargomaster. The clock was ticking as the C-133 was nearing the end of its operational life. So, have you ever wondered how an aircraft weighing more than 800,000 pounds can stay airborne indefinitely? What secrets lie behind its impressive cargo hold and technological features? Join us as we unravel the secrets, explore the engineering marvels, and showcase the sheer power of these giants in the captivating world of heavy airlift. In their quest, the Air Force explored the vast realm of aviation, evaluating numerous designs for large logistic transport. And then, like a beacon of innovation, the C-5A Galaxy prototype began to take shape in August 1966. It was a crucial moment, a turning point in military aviation that would shape the future of cargo transport. Fast forward to March 2, 1968, a date etched in aviation history. The C-5 Galaxy, with the designation number 668303, made its grand debut. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this journey through aviation history. And if you want more fascinating stories like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into what makes the C-5 Galaxy truly extraordinary. This heavy lifter is not your ordinary cargo transport. Its design revolutionized the game, giving it unparalleled capabilities. The C-5 has been the go-to for carrying space containers, modified missions, satellites, and hefty cargo, including heavy helicopters. And here's the cherry on top, the C-5M. The latest evolution of this beast has solidified its reputation as the heavy lifter of the skies. With its expansive cargo compartment, featuring an upward hanging visor at the nose and large clamshell doors, the C-5 Galaxy continues to be a force to be reckoned with. Moreover, the internal winches and a roller conveyor system work together in harmony, transforming the loading process seamlessly and efficiently. But the real star here is the cargo floor of the C-5, stretching an impressive 121 feet. To put that into perspective, it's a foot longer than the Wright brothers' first flight. And believe it or not, it boasts a whopping 35,000 cubic feet of space, pressurized and climate-controlled to cater to diverse operational needs. Now, let's talk about the numbers. The C-5 Galaxy's cargo capacity is 4 times that of its sibling, the C-141A Star Lifter. And when it comes to takeoff, the C-5 Galaxy is nothing short of extraordinary. Thanks to its advanced engineering, featuring commercial engines, long-swept wings, and that distinctive TAA tail design, it's a true giant in the skies. The C-5 Galaxy is powered by 4 General Electric TF39 GE1C turbofan engines, each unleashing a formidable 41,000 pounds of thrust. These engines aren't just powerful, they're impressively large, propelling the C-5 into the realm of aerodynamic excellence. The C-5's tail increases the effectiveness of the vertical tail through an end plate effect, ensuring that this colossal aircraft slices through the air with unparalleled grace. The horizontal stabilizer, functioning much like a winglet, not only reduces the induced drag of the rudder but also adds a touch of efficiency to its flight profile. It's like the icing on the cake, making the C-5 soar through the skies with grace. Beyond its impressive engines and sleek aerodynamic design, the C-5 Galaxy has some hidden tricks up its massive wings. With a staggering length of 222 feet and 9 inches and a jaw-dropping maximum takeoff weight of 840,000 pounds, this behemoth stands as proof of engineering marvels and military aviation skills. Now, let's talk about a unique feature: the innovative use of reverse thrust. This isn't just for show. It plays a crucial role in efficient braking during landing, and even allows the C-5 to maneuver backward on the ground. A rare and impressive capability for an aircraft of this size. And let's not forget the landing gear system, a feat of engineering in itself. Imagine a combination of a single nose strut, 4 main bogies, and a grand total of 28 wheels. This intricate system is designed for high flotation capability, making the C-5 a true heavyweight champion. The landing gear is equipped with an offset swiveling capability of 20 degrees to each side, and a freewheel to facilitate smooth ground movement, which is essential for managing those challenging crosswind landings. What's more, the landing gear can be individually raised, simplifying tire changes and brake maintenance. And this colossal aircraft can take off or land in almost any location worldwide, elevating its logistical flexibility to unparalleled heights. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The C-5's landing gear comes equipped with a 3-position kneeling system. This unique feature allows the cargo floor to be lowered to truck bed height. Why does this matter? Well, it makes loading oversized or long wheelbase equipment a breeze by reducing the ramp angle in critical areas. But the C-5 Galaxy's technological prowess doesn't stop at its physical design. It extends to advanced systems for monitoring and navigation, Meet the Malfunction Detection Analysis and Recording System, or MADAR for short. This sophisticated automatic troubleshooting system keeps a watchful eye on over 800 test points across the aircraft's various subsystems, ensuring operational integrity. Now let's talk navigation and communication. The C-5 Galaxy is decked out with state-of-the-art avionics, including the INS, the Inertial Navigation System. This triple INS setup enhances its self-sufficiency and operational independence. The C-5 can perform effectively without relying on ground-based navigational aids, making it a true master of the skies. And the C-5 Galaxy showcases an impressive short takeoff and landing skills. Even when fully loaded, this aircraft, defying expectations for its size, requires only 8,300 feet for takeoff and a mere 4,900 feet for landing. Now, that's agility at its finest, proving that the C-5 Galaxy is not just a heavyweight. It's a heavyweight with a flair. When this mighty aircraft is at its maximum weight of 840,000 pounds, it holds a remarkable capability. It can theoretically stay airborne indefinitely. The only limit? The endurance of the crew on board. This strategic game-changer means the C-5 can cover vast distances without the need to land for refueling. Now, let's address crew fatigue. To tackle this challenge, long flights often involve relief crews, ensuring continuous and efficient operation. It's like a well-choreographed process in the skies, allowing the C-5 Galaxy to perform its logistical work without missing a beat. But here's what truly cements the C-5 Galaxy's status as a logistical powerhouse: its combination of features. From short takeoff and landing distances to the capacity for aerial refueling, this aircraft is in a league of its own. It can deliver cargo and support across the globe without the constraints of traditional refueling stops. Now let's introduce the C-5 Galaxy's notable counterpart, the Antonov A-124 Ruslan. Imagine them as siblings in the realm of large strategic airlift aircraft. The A-124 shares several external features with the C-5, such as a rear cargo door and a similar layout of flight control surfaces. However, it has its own unique twists. The A-124 distinguishes itself with a shorter fuselage and a greater wingspan, allowing it to carry a larger payload than the C-5. But the real standout feature is its conventional empennage, in contrast to the C-5's distinctive T, a tail. The A-124 employs a hybrid fly-by-wire control system, combining electronic and mechanical controls for enhanced redundancy and reliability. Now, meet the Super Guppy, a unique aircraft born from the fuselage of a C-97J turbo stratocruiser, the military cousin of the 1950s Boeing 377 Stratocruiser. This aircraft flaunts an extended fuselage, stretching an impressive 141 feet and boasting an enlarged diameter of 25 feet. But the real standout feature is its conventional empennage, in contrast to the C-5's distinctive TAA tail. The cargo compartment itself measures a substantial 94 feet and 6 inches in length, showcasing a remarkable adaptation of an existing design to meet specific cargo transportation needs. It's proof of the diversity and innovation in aircraft design for specialized purposes. Next up is the Airbus A300-600 ST, affectionately known as the Beluga. This aircraft, initially named the Super Transporter, earned its nickname due to its striking resemblance to the beluga whale. Designed as a wide-body airliner, the Beluga takes specialized transport to new heights, primarily focusing on moving aircraft parts and oversized cargo. But there's a newer and bigger sibling on the block, the Beluga 44, outshining its predecessor in cargo space and operational range. The Beluga 44 can carry a staggering load of 111,333 pounds inside its 78,000 cubic feet cargo hold and boasts an impressive range of 2,600 miles. It's abundantly clear that each of these models represents the pinnacle of aviation engineering. From the iconic C-5 Galaxy, an Antonov BE, A-124 Ruslan to the unique Super Guppy, and the impressive Beluga XL, these aircraft showcase the boundless innovation and versatility in the realm of heavy airlift capabilities.